How to fix PSBank app freeze. If you're getting the app freezing during login or other operations through the PSBank mobile app, first of all, make sure that it's not your internet connection and ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. Second, you can try to offload the app. On iPhone, you can simply go ahead and open up settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and from iPhone storage you can search for the PSBank application by tapping the show all button and just searching for PSBank and tapping on it. Tap on Offload app and tap on Offload and tap on Reinstall app again. After you've done that, head over to your app store over here. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and then search for the PSBank app. Check if the app has any type of update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.